Epilogue. We had nearly mentioned about Ai's Mahasamadhi as the giving up of prana. According to some eyewitnesses, her prana merged in Sai Maharaj in the form of a light. Sri Avasti mentions that this event took place in November 1917, but as per internal evidence in the book Shirdi Sai Bhagavatam and the report on the scrutiny undertaken by Siddhaguru Sri Ramananda Maharishi in November 2014, the correct date of her Mahasamadhi was Monday 20th November 1916. Source http://shivshaktisai.tv/video/radhakrishnamai/ A significant event that took place 5 days before Ai's Mahasamadhi, as mentioned in the said book, was the dance Simhanandini that Ai performed in front of the Dwaraka Mai on Vrishika Sankranti, corresponding to Wednesday, 15th November 1916. Baba's divine command to Ai on that day to go away appeared to her as a clear signal to end her sojourn on earth. Maybe for the next 4 days, Ai was in Nirvikalpa Samadhi, for which duration Baba stopped sending prasadam and charana tirtham to Ai. In the early hours of 20th November, that is Krishna Paksha Ekadashi, Ai's prana left the mortal coil to join Sai, the Parabrahman. As reported by the Siddhaguru, based on the enquiries with the people of Shirdi, Ai's mortal remains were cremated in the place between Abdul Cottage and Dikshitwada in the presence of Baba. When Sri Rege met Baba subsequent to Ai's Mahasamadhi, Baba mentioned to him that Ai wanted to be freed from her karma and he had given her his assurance. Later, when she expressed she could not wait any longer, he gave her the ultimate refuge in his heart. Baba said, "Ai is your mother and mine too. You can see her in my heart." Ai had said, "After 100 years, a Kavyatri Hridaya will weep for me and write my story," as per the book Shirdi Sai Bhagavatam. What happened after the completion of 100 years in November 2017 was that the work on the construction of 3 Deepamalas, Deepastambhas, was taken up to be placed at Lendibagh. One of them has oil lamps which can be lit by the devotees. In 2018, the stambhas were completed. Readers may recall that it was Ai's wish to place a Deepamala in Dwarakamai. This wish got fulfilled after 100 years. An ardent devotee of Sai and Ai, Sri Saravanan, was wonderstruck on seeing the stambhas. He recalled Ai's wish and thought that a marble idol of Ai should be made and installed in a temple of Sai and worshipped. The idol of Ai, made in Mumbai, travelled to Shirdi, and from there it reached our home at Bengaluru on 22nd November 2019, the Mahasamadhi day of Ai. She stayed on till 2nd December, accepting the worship, admiration, puja, naivedya and arti of several Sai devotees. Finally, Ai was ready to move to her abode at the Sai temple at Kuttanur. Sri Saravanan took her with great delight. There was a brief halt at Kumbakonam when she graced the puja room of Sri Jayaraman, whose devotion and love for Ai are unparalleled. The formal installation of the idol took place on 11th December 2019 on Datta Jayanti. Mandalabhishekam was done in the prescribed manner. The Sai temple where she is being worshipped now is 34 Kuttanur, Poototam, Nannilam Taluk, Tiruvarur District, Tamil Nadu, pin code 609503. Further, the noble efforts of Siddhaguru Sri Ramananda Maharishi to bring out the Avatara Mahima of Prema Swarupini Radha Krishna Ai to the world deserve very special mention. In November 2014 at Shirdi, the Karma Bhumi of Ai, Siddhaguru organized an Aradhana Mahotsava for her, in which several devotees took part. He spoke at length about Ai's divinity and spiritual attainments and called her a Siddha Yogini. Homas were also performed wherein different kinds of offerings were made. In his Shiva Shakti Shirdi Sai Mahapeetham at Nagireddy Palli, Bongir, near Hyderabad, there stands a mandapam near the entrance to perpetuate the memory of Ai. A statue of Mirabai representing Ai is installed in the mandapam. Ai's Aradhana centenary was observed on 25th November 2016 at the Mahapeetham in a memorable way. 1 lakh deepams, that is, diyas, were lit on this occasion. Among the many books written by the Maharishi, the book on Ai in Telugu is a precious jewel and a glorious tribute to Ai. The Maharishi has also written an Ashtotra Shatanamavali, that is, 108 names on Ai. His book and songs composed on Ai have inspired many devotees to read, know and talk about her. At the Shirdi Sai Baba Community Center, Vijayavalli Nagar, Thiruvalanchuri, near Kumbakonam 2, every year the Aradhana Day of Ai is observed with great reverence by lighting lamps and organizing discourses and bhajans. Sri Veerasamy, the principal trustee, and Sri R. Jayaraman are the inspiration behind this initiative. Radha Krishna Ai is indeed the holy river Ganga washing the lotus feet of Sri Sai Baba. The journey of the holy river Ganga from Gangotri to Ganga Sagar, the place of final merger in the ocean, is the Charita of Radha Krishna Ai. There is no doubt that the Prema Bhakti of Radha Krishna Ai for Sai Maharaj is spreading like one lamp lighting another, and so on and on. Jai Shri Sai Ram. Jai Radha Krishna Ai.